Well, here we go, folks. First of the day. And as always, it feels catfishy. My last few bass haven't jumped at all. And I was right. Channel cat. Woo! Boy, tear up the water there, will you? Tear up some water, you little bitch. Okay, come on. Boy, I'm having a heck of a time with this dude. Come here. Come here. That's a good eating channel, but it's too early in the day. I just got here, so I'm not gonna keep this one. Let's see if I can get my hook back. That's the trouble with these things. They like to take it deep quick. Boy, I don't know. You are really pan size. I'm gonna give it a couple more minutes to think. This is a pretty good tug, folks. Yep, another catfish. I guess that temperature is getting warmer. Those catfish are coming out and those bass are going in. That's alright though. I like eating catfish, especially out of this good clean water. Another good eating size. I'm going to run an errand today, or I would keep one of these. I'll explain the errand in a minute. Okay, come on. Enough's enough. Open up that mouth. Well, you little turd, you. Okay. We'll do it this way. Yeah, don't let these catfish stick you, because they can carry some pretty bad doggone germs. Okay, what do I do with my pliers? There they are. I'm up in the weeds. If you'll hang on just a little while there, girl or boy, I'll turn you loose from here. I'm gonna let you go back out to play. There we go, good eating size catfish. All right. Back in the water. Bend that hook. Now it's a broke off hook. Okay, let's start this all over again. Okay, that errand I was talking about. I had intended, I think I mentioned it before, to take that float tube up to this lake that you had to hike like 3/4 of a mile or a mile to get to. And that's the reason I made that float tube cart. Well, they put a gate up there with a $5 to get in charge, which is no big deal. I'd pay it, I guess, except I don't have to, because that's in the Alabama State Park system and veterans get in free, but I need to go get some kind of something that lets you through the gate, because it's not a person man gate. It's just an automatic gate. Once you put the money in, it raises and lets you go. But I wanted to mention about these veterans discounts. If few people are veterans and people are offering you this stuff, I mean, there's absolutely no reason not to take it. You know, if I go in there 10 times and save that $5 with that veteran pass, I mean, that's an easy 50 bucks. why not put that in your pocket? But also, I wanted to tell you this. I took over the campground contract for keeping the grass cut and trimmed and all that stuff. And so I went and bought a Cub Cadet riding lawnmower and some other tools to do that. And I got over, I've backed up here because I'm yakking. I got over $300 worth of veterans discounts at Home Depot on that lawnmower and those lawn tools. Now I'm going to tell you, that's $300 is more than I was paid in 3 months when I went in 1968. And $300 is something that you can really buy something else with. So if you're a veteran, don't be shy about signing up for this stuff. It's well worthwhile. It'll save you a lot of money in a period of a year on stuff you buy and entry fees and all that kind of stuff. Just pointing that out. Well, here we go again, folks. What we got this time? Whoa, it's got some tug to it. Holy cow. I better get off of some drag. Oh, shit, look at this. Holy cow. Dude, I can't even get it up. Yeah, bass. I knew there was a bass in here today. A good one, too. Yes, sir. All right, baby. You got it? Oh, yeah. Ah, boy, this is that pretty or what? Yes, sir. And there was a bass in here today. Besides those channel catfish. Rock and roll. Now, if you'll hang on, I'll get you loose. And let you go. Always easier said than done. Okay, come on. I know, fish, the longer I've got you out here, the worse it is for you. One more look. Nice, fat, largemouth. Well, that's 2 largemouths, and I usually catch spots. That's why. All right, buddy, here you go. About lost my rod with it. Okay, enough of this fiasco. Well, okay, so I went up to the park office and they didn't ask for any discharge papers or anything. They gave me this, I don't want to show it to everybody. They gave me a card size pass there with the gate code on it. I told the woman that wouldn't last long. Everybody would just be able to give out a gate code to everybody else. I thought it'd be some kind of barcode thing or something. But anyway, had a pretty good day today. Only fished about 2 hours, caught 2 channel cats, and you saw that nice bass. And got this gate code, so hopefully next week I'll be able to take that float tube card I made and that float tube up to that lake that you have to hike back to. So see you then. Have a good day.